Looking for the ultimate way to capture your rides? The best action camera for motorcycle lets you record every twist, turn, and scenic route in stunning clarity. Compact, durable, and easy to mount, it's perfect for adventure enthusiasts. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Sixmou i3 4K camera for motorcycle. The Sixmou i3 4K camera is designed for riders who want a lightweight and discreet recording solution without sacrificing performance. Weighing only 1.25 ounces and small enough to fit on your thumb, this compact action camera is perfect for helmet, chest, or bike mounting without adding noticeable bulk. Its magnetic mounting system allows quick attachment to metal surfaces, while the included magnetic lanyard pad and rotating spring clip make positioning extremely convenient during rides. The camera supports multiple mounting accessories, giving motorcyclists flexibility for creative shooting angles. With the included waterproof housing, the camera can operate underwater up to 131 feet, making it suitable for adventure riders who also enjoy water sports. Battery performance is impressive for such a tiny device, delivering up to 150 minutes of recording in 1080p mode and solid recording time even in 4K resolution. The ability to record while charging makes it reliable for longer trips or touring sessions. Overall, the Sixmou i3 stands out as a simple, portable, and dependable action camera for everyday motorcycle recording. Number 2. AKASO SuperSmooth 360-degree camera for motorcycle. The AKASO SuperSmooth 360-degree camera is built for riders who want immersive footage that captures everything happening around them. Featuring stunning 5.7K 360-degree video recording, this camera allows motorcyclists to relive their rides from every possible angle. Its advanced stabilization system smooths out vibrations and road shocks, producing fluid footage even without using a gimbal. The 360-degree horizon lock feature ensures videos remain perfectly level regardless of leaning, turning, or sudden movements during aggressive riding. Equipped with dual 48-megapixel sensors, the camera captures highly detailed images and impressive 72-megapixel 360-degree photos, delivering sharp visuals suitable for both social media and professional editing. One of its standout features is the invisible selfie stick effect, creating cinematic third-person riding shots without needing a cameraman. This capability adds a dramatic perspective to motorcycle vlogs and travel content. The camera's creative flexibility, powerful sensors, and strong stabilization make it an excellent choice for riders seeking cinematic storytelling and fully immersive motorcycle adventure recordings.
Number 3. Sixmou Thumb Action Camera for motorcycle. The Sixmou Thumb Action Camera offers a hands-free recording experience tailored for riders who prefer simplicity and portability. Extremely compact and lightweight at just 1.25 ounces, it mounts comfortably on helmets, jackets, or gear without causing distraction while riding. The magnetic mounting system allows quick installation, and the included accessories provide multiple attachment options for motorcycles, bikes, and outdoor activities. Designed for versatility, the camera supports true 4K POV recording, allowing riders to capture realistic first-person perspectives during commuting, touring, or adventure riding. With the waterproof housing attached, it can dive up to 131 feet underwater, expanding its usability beyond motorcycling into snorkeling or water sports. Battery life remains strong, offering up to 150 minutes of recording in 1080p and reliable performance even at higher resolutions. The ability to record while charging ensures uninterrupted footage during long journeys. Overall, this camera delivers convenience, flexibility, and dependable recording performance in a tiny, easy-to-use package ideal for everyday motorcycle riders. Number 4. AKASO Brave 4 Camera for motorcycle. The AKASO Brave 4 camera is a well-balanced action camera that combines strong video quality with user-friendly features for motorcycle enthusiasts. Capable of recording 4K video at 30 FPS and capturing sharp 20MP photos, it delivers clear visuals suitable for ride documentation, travel vlogging, or daily commuting footage. The adjustable viewing angles allow riders to customize perspectives depending on helmet placement or handlebar mounting positions. Built-in image stabilization powered by smart gyroscope technology reduces shaking caused by rough roads, helping produce smoother and more professional-looking videos. Connectivity is another advantage, as Wi-Fi support enables quick video transfer and editing through a mobile app, while HDMI output allows playback on larger screens. The included waterproof case protects the camera up to 131 feet underwater, making it suitable for extreme environments. Dual screens on the front and rear simplify framing and recording control. Overall, the Brave 4 provides excellent functionality, versatility, and reliable performance for motorcycle recording at an accessible price point.
Number 5. Insta360 X3 360 camera for motorcycle. The Insta360 X3 360 camera delivers a premium recording experience for riders who want maximum creative control over their motorcycle footage. Combining a powerful 5.7K 360-degree camera with traditional 4K action camera capabilities, it allows users to capture entire environments and choose the best viewing angle later through easy reframing. This flexibility is especially useful for motorcycle rides, where action happens quickly and unpredictably. Flow state stabilization and horizon lock technology work together to keep footage smooth and level even on rough terrain or during fast cornering. Riders can also shoot wide-angle 4K footage with a dramatic 170-degree field of view for cinematic riding scenes. The invisible selfie stick effect creates impressive third-person perspectives that look professionally filmed. Paired with the AI-powered editing app, content creation becomes fast and intuitive. Durable construction and strong imaging performance make the Insta360 X3 an outstanding choice for serious riders, vloggers, and adventure creators seeking high-quality motorcycle video production. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon